Hi, this is Raja Trader. Today, Friday, the end of our first week, and just like as usual, before everyone close strong with solid profit. Watch this video till the end of to see exactly how my A plus setup using the semi board system generated between 800 to 900 live on each TPT, EA, and PA account. Let's take a look one of our live trade on both EA, TPT, and Pro account right from the dashboard. This is real market action, real execution. You can see the PNL updated the real time, fully automated by Samibot. It follow pure price action, no emotion, no hesitation, just structured discipline and stress-free trading automation. Check out our community result as well, daily PNL, screenshot, past evaluation certificate, and payout proof. If your goal is to earn daily 300 to 500 a day and pass TPT or any other further funded account, and you can join me on my daily live trading session in my premium group. It's just 45 per month, and I'll guide you step by step through the exact setup live. Every win, I also share my monthly performance and revenue report so you can verify everything yourself and match my daily message after each session. Here you can see my monthly performance each day, each time, and there's the November till now. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our daily live session in Asia market at 7 p.m. and New York session at 9:25 p.m. You can send me message 647-574-3374 to join my premium group. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and have a good one.